So I'm going to upset Benny again because I'm going to start talking about the ergonomics of the car. All right, look, I mean, I don't know what it is, but most Italian cars I drive, I have some issue with the way it's all set up.
That's you, not the cars.
Do you think though?
It's a fault with you.
The fact that my legs are pointing over here and my hands are over here, my legs are splayed out like this so I can fit the steering wheel in. When I put my foot up onto the footrest, my knee is into the gear shift. I mean, those sort of things just bug me a little bit.
Because you're not the right shape.
Oh, right.
Yeah. You have to be the right. You have to be the right shape to enjoy an Italian car. It's very much the case.
Are you the right shape?
Yeah, I'm the right shape.
But I don't think we're much different in shapes.
I don't know.
How does that work?
I climb into these cars and unfortunately I forget the bad stuff because I'm so excited to be there, you know? And that's the thing with these cars, they're evocative.
I'm excited
too. Talk about what makes them exciting and what makes people want to own them and drive them and try and experience them and put posters on their bedroom wall. It's not that your knee's hitting the gear shift when you're putting it on the footrest. I don't care.
You're going to drive it. I mean, how am I going to drive the thing fast if I put my legs together, I can't turn the steering wheel?
You need to adapt. You adapt to these things, and that's what means at the other end of the drive when you step out and you might be a bit hotter than you'd like to be and you might smell of fuel, or you know there's vapor in the cabin and you're uncomfortable and your back hurts, but hey, you just drove a 250 Ferrari over a fantastic piece of road and you sort of thought for a moment that you were one of your heroes from the 50s. That is what makes these cars exciting.
Yeah, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say with that. I mean, I embraced all of the stuff that was going on.
This is the thing, right? If all of the car lay people in the world analysed things the way David does, no cars would be valuable because none of them would work. So the only cars that would work would be the ones that were valuable and vice versa, and then nobody would get misty-eyed about the olden days and chrome and fuel and, you know, Sterling Moss with powder over his face and a
I get misty-eyed.
Well, you know, maybe for some strange stuff, but yeah.